Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy's Styles. This short haircut is a hairstyle that requires the less styling time, and is a significant time saver for the busy women, because it will really save your daily routine, like for those women that want to save time and prefer a more natural and effortless look. And it's a style that will make you look sleek and polished, and it's a style that will really allow you to switch up your look and experiment with different styles and products. So this haircut especially will be great for beautiful matured women because it's comfortable to wear, and it's a haircut that will really make you look bold and confident, and will make you feel empowered and self-assured. It's a hairstyle that will give every woman that sense of neatness. It's a hairstyle that will make you look simple, hairstyle that will give you the confidence you want as a beautiful black woman. And it's a versatile haircut which focuses on making you look beautiful and beneficial for women, who are often judged based on their appearance in professional settings. And it's a haircut that will make you look so beautiful, and it will give you that bold statement, and will give you that kind of positive attribute in your professional settings. So one thing I want you guys to know about the style is that it's a simple and minimalistic hairstyle that will give off that air of efficiency. So if you want to look stylish, you want to give that neat and well-groomed appearance, this hairstyles will help you look good and sophisticated. We have a short hairstyles that will really soften the appearance of an older woman's facial features and make them to appear more youthful. Is a haircut that is a hairstyle that will make you look feminine, and this is a hairstyle that will really emphasize your natural features such as your eyes and cheekbones. And don't forget, it's a hairstyle that will really draw attention away from your fine lines or even the wrinkles, and it will create a more youthful appearance. So it's really a hairstyle beneficial for older matured women who may not want to spend a lot of time styling their hair, and it will even help reduce the appearance of stress or even aging on beautiful black matured women.
Can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but an arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man confidence is you. What is hard for you, we can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard for you, we can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.